Andake Namaskaram. So our movie Selfie Raja is releasing on 15th of July. And as always expected from Naresh, from every movie of Naresh, that it's going to be a real entertainment. So we had a tour, city tours in 3 cities, Vizag, Vijayawada and Warangal. So we got a very good response from everywhere, and it was fantastic. People loved the concept that we are releasing each song in different cities, and in fact the full song. So they really enjoyed watching it. This is my second movie with Naresh and Sai Karthik Garu and AK Entertainments. It's always like previous also, it was lovely working with them. AK Entertainments, as everybody knows in the industry, they're fantastic people. They take care of their artist and the crew and everyone. So I'm really happy that they again gave me the opportunity to work here. And Sai Karthik Garu, I mean, his movie in music is so fantastic. The last time also, I got so happy that I got such good songs in James Bond as well as in this movie. Two fantastic songs I got, Kolutalu and Bumper Offer. Beautiful songs they are. Loved dancing on them. So thank you, Sai Karthik Garu. Naresh is he's always wonderful, to work with. Such a comfortable, he makes you very comfortable and everything while working. And now we have a very good rapport, as it is our second movie that we're working on. So it has been pretty fantastic. Ishwar Garu, director, sir. So it is my first time that I'm working with him, and I feel that he's a very simple guy behind the set. But whenever he comes on the director's seat, he just, switch on that button to you put. So he comes in that mode. Lovely people, and the thing is that Ishwar sir is famous for his comedy timing, and I think it actually shows in the movie. So it's a comedy entertainment. Everybody will enjoy it. Everybody will have fun. So please do come and watch on 15th July Selfie Raja. You'll really have fun.